Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan, and in this video I will show you how to remove the front fuse box, or so-called TIPM, totally integrated power module. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2021. Okay, to start you'll want to leave the front hood, and TIPM, or the fuse box, is located right here just next to the car battery. And it's a good idea first to remove the battery just to get more working space around this fuse box. To start removing the battery, first you want to remove the battery holder, which is down there, and you'll need a 13mm socket to do that. Okay, and this is the battery holder once removed. So there is one long screw and this plastic piece. And now next thing to do would be to unscrew the battery cables. Now remember, always first remove the negative battery cable, then the positive one, and when you're connecting the battery back in, always start with the positive one and then finish with the negative one, just to make sure don't cause any shorts. Okay, so you will need a 10mm wrench key to unscrew this nut right here. You don't have to remove it all the way, just enough so all this becomes loose, and then you can wiggle the cable off. Mine is getting loose already. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to work with one hand here, so I'm kind of clumsy. Okay, now once this is nice and loose, you can try just squiggling this off and lifting it up, just like that. Now in some cases this might get stuck actually. If the battery wasn't replaced for a while, then you can try using like a flat screwdriver just to pry it underneath and get it off. Or if it still doesn't work, what you want to do, you want to pry your screwdriver right here and just hit it a bit with a hammer, so this gets a bit looser and releases, and then you'll be able just to wiggle it off. Okay, next thing, you want to do the same with the positive battery cable. Okay, and that is pretty much it. There is nothing else holding these batteries, so you can just lift it straight up and remove it. Okay, so the next thing you want to do after the battery is removed, you want to open up this fuse box cover. You'll have two clips on this side, one here and one here, so you want to press onto this and leave this cover up. What you can also do, you can completely remove this cover by pulling it straight up so it's not on your way. And once you do that, you'll want to remove this nut right here, which is 13mm as well. Okay, once the nut is removed, you'll want to remove this cable off the way as well. Okay, now the next step is very easy. The fuse box, or TIPM, is actually held at 4 spots by 4 clips. One will be here, one here, one here, and one here. So you have this like a small clip you want to push and lift up. So I'll try to show you on this one. You want to press onto this plastic clip and pull it up. It's gonna release, and you want to do the same thing on all 4 edges. Okay, sorry about that. I had to use both of my hands to do this, and now once all of these clips are unhooked, you can just leave the fuse box straight up and pull it out of this metal bracket. Okay, so once you pull it up, you just want to turn it sideways to the left side to get access to all the wires and connectors. And now the only thing left to do is pretty much just to unplug everything. Okay, so to remove this guy, you want to push this red safety all the way to here, and then just press onto this clip to release this switch, and then just pull this all the way up and disconnect the connector. The blue one right here is the same thing. You have that same red clip which you want to push all the way to unlock it. Okay, I'll have to use my screwdriver to do that. So push it all the way and then just push onto the clip to release it, and then leave this all the way and unplug it. Now these two bottom ones, this one and this one, you just want to lift onto this white switch all the way up, just like that, to unlock it, and then just pull it up and disconnect it. Okay, so you see, you just have to, that's the move you have to do. You'll hear a click and then it's unlocked. Same thing with the other one. Trying to work with one hand and record with the other one. Okay, now these two black ones that are still in are also quite easy. You'll have like a small clip to press just here in the middle. I hope you can see it. You want to press it to release this gray switch. You want to press it and then just leave the switch straight up until it clicks, and then just unplug it. Okay. I have to use both of my hands to pull this one out, but that's how you unlock it. So I'll show it to you one more time on this one. Now there is more space. So see, there is a clip right here. You want to press onto it. That will unlock this gray lever. And you have to pull this all the way up until it clicks, just like this. Now just remove it from this junction box. Like I said, I have to use both of my hands just to pull it out. Okay, almost done. And the last one, this one here, you'll also have this red tab here, like a safety switch or whatever it is. You just want to pry this straight up with your flat screwdriver and then just press here and unplug it. Okay, so I just did it. You see, this has to come out all the way, and then you want to press here and just unplug this connection. Again, I have to use my other hand because this is quite tight, but this is the idea. So pull this red thing up and then just press here and unplug it. Okay, and that is pretty much it. This is how you remove your TIPM total integrated power module on a 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan. And now here on the back side you'll also have a part number. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.